shano yademo kwa Ashaiman na mrashabijani owo NS Henry Nogbe na onwa no omusa kwato aba na no memende wo masa to abade ayino na nasam a wo kan ne ekyerese wani abrese krodom dwumadie no afi krampo no omadu so ombeyi osono na firi akonya no so na NDC fo de wonchi ne na besi so oni Adom Kasee edinkomwe
Abatua ekoso ewa Ashaiman womo edeyi womanfo a womo ene begine mu ede ama NDC amanyoko no no makomra hyebedwem na womo nso a womo bedi amanyoko no anim ameato omo so aba amomo abaye amampanimfo no abatuo no eko ne wieye no de odi nkunim a obegina ewa Ashaiman ama NDC amanyoko no no mato ne so aba ama na komra hyebedwem eye NS Henry Nogbe abrantie yi enkunimdie no wonya aba 1627 kane mampani John Dramani Mahama enso enya aba no 2880 ana odidi nkunim na bra one Adom News nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo no wodi tudwa se ensema MPP amanyoko no edi tudwa se womo de womo ebebreke 8 no wo kire mu se enye nokre wodi tudwa se wosono MPP no wono de waya ahoboa so obema ne so ede na kotu nwuram abatu ebekọ so 2024 no odi nkunim wo.
What is ahead of us is to fight the common enemy, be it Baumia or Alanchamante at the end of 2024. And so we have to work together as one family to make sure we push the elephant back to the bush. And so I want to thank everybody, all my competitors. I want to thank them for giving me a run for my money. They have done a yeoman job, just that today has been a bad day for them. But I want to extend my olive branch to them so that they come on board. We work towards victory 2024.
Wasan edi tudwa se efa ne mpuntudwuma de wono de obi enim no se so bade a wono a ne betimi aboa ama Ashaiman afa ne ntomapa efra.
I want to say that it's not been easy for us to be here today, but by the grace of the Almighty, He has made it, because He is the omnipresent and omnipotent. So today, the confidence reposed in me. I want to say that I'll continue my good work and make sure that I care for the people and bring developmental projects to Ashaiman community.